Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you an absolutely gorgeous Yamaha R1. 2014 model, so this is the traction control and daytime running like one, but crossplane cranks, the big bang. Absolutely lovely these, still massive following. You can see the running lights there when you turn it on. Full digital dashboard, it's a traction control, power modes, got lovely ASV levers. See on there, digital dashboard to show you. 2,454 miles, that's all it's done. So the Yamaha Akrapovic pipes are absolutely incredible, we'll come to those in a second. Lovely bits of detail on in the carbon, sounds absolutely gorgeous. We'll give it a start up for you. Cheeky little pop there, so it is absolutely gorgeous. Come down and see it for yourself at Jordanbikes or give us a call.